Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today I am making a clamp so that I can adjust how much pressure I put on these pliers when I test them. I want to make something to where I can say, let's say I want to put 5 foot-pounds of pressure on them and know that they're all equal across the board when I test them. So this is a bit of a preparation video, but I'm going to essentially be fabricating a tool. We're going to start with this clamp here, and I am going to braze a nut on it. I'll end up cutting this off, and then I'm going to braze a couple of pieces on here so that I can hold them onto the tool pretty easy. Stay tuned, bring you right to it. Okay, with this, we're probably not going to get a whole lot of commentary. I'm going to try to tell you what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes as it goes. First thing, all of this has zinc on it. So I know there's some issues here, but I'm going to deal with them anyway. First, I'm going to put a little... We'll heat all this up, and I'm going to put a little braze down in here, and then I'm going to braze around the bottom side of it. Okay, right in here, I had to do a little change because obviously I didn't have the right setup, and I really didn't want to bring out my big torch to braze that. I probably didn't even have the right brazing rod. You never know. So I changed everything up and decided I was going to TIG it instead, and I'll show you that. But I cut out everything with me trying to braze it, because it's pretty much was just 5 minutes or so of me heating up metal and braze just globbing in there, but not sticking to anything. So, you know, it is what it is. Y'all enjoy the rest. Well, I guess so. Looks like I'm going to be TIGging these things on. A little darker. So, I really don't have the proper stuff to braze this. I was hoping I could. My MIG is out of gas, so I'm going to be TIGging this. Just so everybody knows, I've got a lot of practice I need to do to get good at this, but we're gonna do it anyway. For some reason, my TIG gas, I turned it on, but it wasn't on. Someone had turned it off at the adjuster. It wasn't me. almost got her welded up. Okay. Let's actually weld it now. It's in there, but I want to make sure it's welded. It's a little warm. Okay, that is completely ugly, but it is what it is. So now to get these welded on. So all that zinc sucks. Okay. I think that one's on there good. I might need some more on this side. Which, I'm not putting a whole lot on this. So. This one's going to be tricky. Because it needs to turn. And if I heat this up too much, it might not turn for me. Now that is almost perfect. Let's bring it up a little bit. Oh man. Oh. see. Had a blowout. I need to leave that alone or I'm going to tear my clamp up. But I think it's in there. I hope y'all like this video. I tried to show you as much as I could. I'm going to work on getting a better lens for my camera and figuring some things out so that I can get better video of me welding. Hopefully I'll be better by the time I can do that. But anyway, I've been, I don't know what it is. I started out welding sometime in 90, but the type of welding I was doing was on, it was production welding, and it was on flat stuff. It was on galvanized. We didn't quite worry about zinc then. I'd never heard about zinc poisoning until I got back into welding about 6 or 7 years ago, and then I see it everywhere. But anyway, that's my fault. That's probably why, But anyway, I got a lot of practice to do. I used to be steadier. I used to lay prettier beads and all that, but I don't know. Maybe I'm rushing it, and I should do a little bit of practice before I do it. It don't matter, whatever. It's I got them gorilla welds, if big, ugly, and strong. Hey, y'all take care. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate everything y'all do. Hey, if you don't mind, click that like button, subscribe, and if you could, please share me with your friends and everything, and put those links on Facebook and all that. Y'all take care.